Wastewater comes from businesses like restaurants, mechanics, and industrial plants can send food, chemicals, oils, grease, and metals into the city sewer system. Bismarck's industrial pretreatment ordinance allows city leaders to regulate what businesses send down the drain. The guidelines established in 1986 needed updating to meet new state and federal requirements. Michael Anholt has more.
Bismarck's wastewater facility treatment process involves tiny living critters called microorganisms who feed on organic waste from our sinks and toilet flushes to clean the city's wastewater. The ordinance keeps these microorganisms healthy. The main update to the ordinance relates to restaurant grease traps.
Trying to prevent fats, oils, and grease from getting into the sewer system. The old ordinance had a requirement that they had to clean their grease removal devices weekly, and now with the new ordinance it's twice a month.
Grease limits the flow of water to the treatment plant. The new requirement provides flexibility and helps businesses understand how their wastewater impacts the sewer infrastructure, the treatment process, and the health of the Missouri River and its users.
Your water gets cleaned through the water plant, pumped to your homes, utilized. It goes through another set of pipes and pump stations, brings it back down to here. We then clean it before we send it to the river to protect our users downstream and those that utilize our lakes and streams for recreation.
City officials said they are here to work with impacted businesses and to advise them on best practices, like drain screens for restaurants and cleaning methods for businesses handling a lot of sand and grit and chemicals. In Bismarck, I'm Michael Anholt reporting for your news leader.
You can take part in a public survey on the issue on the city's website. There will also be a public meeting Wednesday at 3 o'clock at the Public Works Building.